Now let's go ahead and edit one of our guides and upload an image and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and click on Find Content in the shortcut bar. And I've added a filter here to filter by guide. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit next to the Phil Terry guide. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to our image field. It shows right here. This interface may look a little bit different depending on what browser you're using. I'm going to click on Browse in Firefox. And I'm currently in the Resource Pack under the Images folder. And inside this image folder is an image for each one of the guides. And they're named according to their first name. So we're going to select Phil here for the upload. We can click Upload right away, or we can click Save in order to initialize the upload. I'm going to go ahead and click Upload. And you saw the little throbber to the right, and this is our preview. And notice that it's small. It's the thumbnail view that we selected when we set the field settings for the thumbnail display. I'm going to scroll down and click Save. And let's go ahead and view the Phil Terry guide. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Okay, so we're getting a little bit closer. We have our Phil Terry image here. It's a bit bigger than it is in the mockup. Also, there's this label here that says image, which doesn't show in the mockup either. And the picture is color instead of black and white. Let's go ahead and jump back to the mockup. Okay, so yeah, smaller, black and white. It floats to the right, and there's no label. So these are actually 4 separate problems that we're going to tackle individually.